Well, I moved. I moved from a pretty big room to a smaller room, but there is a bigger closet, so I guess there's a plus. As you can see, this place is a mess. I had to do a lot of moving around and figuring out and a lot of stuff to get this thing in working condition for my new model room. Switched some shelves around and made some room. So I guess we're going right into it, but along the way of me looking for different organizational things to help me downsize, I found the coolest tool ever, and I think you guys will really love this tool. So this is my organization system that I have right now, and I'm just gonna use this temporarily for right now just because I'm in a small place. But here's what I was using, and this is what I'm gonna eliminate with this new thing that I'm gonna show you, because these things are really cool. They stick together and they're very organized. You put tools in them where you need them to go, and it pretty much fits anything that you need in the modeling world. And honestly, I used these for a long time, and they didn't really give me a too hard of a trouble. But the thing is, you take a tool out here, you take a tool out there, then you end up looking for tools because you put it in the wrong spot, and just everything's in shambles after a week of modeling or whatever. It just becomes a mess, you know. So I really wanted to just dump this idea out and find something new. So I did a lot of browsing, and this is what I came up with. This is literally a gold mine for me. In my brain and how my brain like organizes things, this was a jackpot. So this is a knife holder for a kitchen, and it's literally a $15 thing off of Amazon. You can see there it has some pegs on the side you can hang stuff off of, but it's a magnetic bar on top that holds knives. But here we're gonna hold some different tools that all of us use and all of us know very well. So now I'm gonna show you a couple different ways to, you know, basically use this thing. There's several different things. There's a whole bunch of metal tools that we have as modelers to put stuff on this awesome device. And there's a little shelf at the bottom too that holds things as well. Now they make different kinds of these. They make like nice wooden ones, nice stained wood ones. They might make black ones, they make white ones. They make all sorts. They make metal ones. Obviously some of them have like different, you know, powered magnets. Some are very magnetized, some are not as magnetized. This is just the cheapest one I found, and it just looks amazing, and it looks great, and it works great. You can see there I'm just putting some airbrushing tools on there as well, just showing how easily you can use this. I mean, literally you can use this for anything in your model room that is metal. So it's really cool and awesome. So this thing is just great for all types of different things. And there's a whole bunch of different metal tools that you can put on this thing too. I'm sure you guys have way more stuff than I do. I literally have the bare minimum of model tools, and I'm able to use this thing in two different areas. My airbrush tools are metal, my other tools are metal, and that works out great for those things. I'm sure you guys have a lot of good ideas with this little knife holder too. So this is basically my room setup. I didn't film all of it, but it's still like halfway done. That's my Hellcat. There's my idea board for ResMod. There's some paints, and this is just kind of my final setup here just for now. I think that's just really condensed and utilized with the things that I have. And it's not like crazy organized, but it'll work for now. But guys, click that subscribe button. Know Jesus is King, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing.